Casseroles are done. Susi Bucky!
Fucking sands! What? Shaky? Yo, he twerking! Yo, he twerking!
Sometimes I lie awake at night and I ask, when will it all end?
Bootleg Flappy Bird looking ass. Yo, no way. Oh,
Jared, take a picture of mine.
Oh shit.
Boy who busts it down sexual style is not necessarily considered goated with the sauce.
That's what I've been saying, Tucker. It's crazy to me that they don't think he's goated with the sauce. You can see him on the yard right there, actually. He's busting it down sexual style, and they want to say he's not goated with the sauce. It's really disrespectful.
Oh. Oh. This motherfucker. Yo, Bobby.
Like, surely we leave before he gets there.
He's gonna go to the other side.
Yeah, and then he's gonna do the.
Bobby, you joining?
With the smooth Barnes & Noble jazz playing in the background.
He's eating his soup.
This man is not real.
Imagine Duffy was called Sussy.
Yeah.
What the dog doing? Got Mario.
Dude, you know how much I want to like
3 letters? You go. Surely you do this. Oh my god. R.A.
Jesse!
White boy who busts it down sexual style is not necessarily considered goated with the sauce.
Busting it down, sexual style.
Rick and Morty. That's Rick and Morty.
Oh, it's red?
Oh my goodness.
When it turns, you can't predict it.
Oh no!
It's free now.
It is free.
How much money are you paying?
About to go broke.
It's worth. How many times has he done it? It's worth. Good.
It's a team effort, really. Surely that grabs. No! Johnny's doing it.
Surely. It can't be done.
We can't give up now. We've come so far.
Some cost.
No, I just want Krita.
Oh man.
He's gotta get it.
Please.
It's got it.
No!
One more.
You have to be able to get it from there.
All it has to do is move it this way a little bit.
We have to get it. They can't keep getting away with
I
this,
still have time.
honestly.
Oh, that's perfect.
It's going. No way!
Okay, surely.
There's no
We
way.
tipped the machine. Good? Are you going for the head or the body? Body.
So no head?
Please.
Please.
Go!
Yo!
Let's go, the boys.
Yo!
I didn't think it was possible.
I did not think it was possible.
Can you guys actually kill some things when I'm trying to survive?
Guys,
what?
Trapped behind the tree.
My grenade, bro. Okay, Bobby.
Surely that grabs.